so if you're just selling coaching, you've already fucking lost. Look, we tore apart the entire $1 million offer engine playbook so you don't have to. And when you cut through all the noise, there's one single truth you have to get tattooed on your brain. Let's get into it.
So let's just be honest. Your offer, it's probably a confusing piece of shit. And you're sitting there thinking the problem is what you're selling. Newsflash, it's not. The problem is the vehicle you're selling it in. See, you're trying to sell the drill bit when all they want is the goddamn hole in the wall. You're selling a feature, not the future they're desperate for.
So, first things first, you have to pick your weapon. Now, this is not some fluffy business school exercise, okay? Choosing the right delivery system for your offer, well, that's a life or death decision for your business. You get this wrong, and you are dead on arrival. Let's get surgically clear on what a vehicle actually is. It is the goddamn delivery system. It's the framework, the pathway, the system that literally carries your client from where they are right now, in total pain, frustrated, completely stuck, to where they desperately want to be. It's their dream outcome. Think of it as the bridge over the river of bullshit they're currently drowning in.
And this, right here, this is your entire arsenal. These are the 8 main weapons you can choose from. You see on the left, you've got your high-touch, one-on-one sniper rifles. We're talking done for you, done with you, super high price, super high impact. And then on the right, you've got your scalable, one-to-many machine guns, things like courses, memberships, software. Lower price, but a much wider reach. You have to choose one.
Whoa, hang on a second, stop. How is this not just picking a fucking business model? I mean, that sounds great for some guru on YouTube, but what about a regular person? Someone who's stuck in a dead-end corporate job trying to get a side hustle going. This just sounds like the same generic advice I've heard 1,000 times. See, that's where you're dead wrong. It's all about the nuance. And this is the landmine almost everyone steps on. Just look at this. The shitty idea, selling a $99 DIY course to a CEO. You're thinking, oh, it's cheap, it's scalable. Wrong. A CEO's time is worth thousands an hour. They don't have time to watch your damn videos. They value speed and results, not a bargain. So the genius fix? A $25,000 done-with-you intensive. You get them the result in a single day. You match the vehicle to what the market actually needs and values. That right there is the entire game. Okay, so you've picked your weapon, great. Now you gotta load it with armor-piercing rounds, and that is the value stack. This is the part where you make your offer so unbelievably good that people literally feel stupid saying no to you. Here's exactly how you build it. The very first question you have to answer is this one right here. How do you make their success feel absolutely 100% inevitable? How do you surgically remove every single ounce of perceived risk from their brain before they even have a chance to think about the price? You do it with these risk reducers. And look, this isn't about some flimsy 30-day money-back guarantee. No, this is about stacking the deck so far in their favor it feels like a sure thing. We're talking a pay-for-performance model, brutally honest case studies, promising real implementation support so they know they won't be left alone. You make the purchase the safest, smartest bet they could possibly make. Okay, but that's not enough. Once you've killed the risk, you have to answer the next question. How do you get them results yesterday? Seriously, we live in a world of instant gratification. Speed is a weapon. So how do you collapse the time it takes for them to get that first incredible win? You stack on speed boosters. It's simple. You don't make them start from scratch. You hand them the templates, the checklists, the quick start guides. You give them priority service so they can jump the line. You design short, intense sprints instead of these long, boring marathons. Your whole goal is to deliver the outcome faster than anyone else on the planet, period. And now for the final piece of the value stack. This is the kill shot right here. How do you make the entire process so stupidly easy for them that they literally can't fail? How do you remove all the friction, all the hard work, all the I need to think about it bullshit from the process? You do it with effort minimizers. You give them a white glove onboarding experience so they feel like royalty from day one. You hand over the pre-built roadmaps, the standardized workflows, so there's absolutely no guesswork. You condense all the information so they don't have to waste time wading through crap. You make the journey so damn effortless, all they gotta do is just show up. So let's recap. You have the right vehicle. You've stocked it so full of value, it's about to explode. But here's the thing. If you can't articulate all of that in an instant, it's all completely worthless. So now we turn this thing into a lethal 6-second pitch. This is the formula. It is devastatingly simple, and it is brutally effective. Number 1, who the hell do you help? Get specific. Number 2, What is the precise outcome you get for them? Don't say growth, say an extra 10 grand a month. And 3, what's the common pain point, the bullshit they get to avoid because they're working with you? You nail these 3 and your offer is basically irresistible. Let's see it in action. Just look at how clean this is. Who do they help? Digital entrepreneurs. What's the outcome? Transforming expertise into irresistible offers. And what's the pain they get to avoid? All those complicated marketing tricks. It's a trifecta of clarity, desire, and pure relief. If you're that entrepreneur, you're already reaching for your wallet. You know, I have to jump in here because I personally fucked this up for years. I was out there selling web design. It's a commodity, right? It's a feature. But the second I reframed it, the moment I started selling a 24/7 automated sales machine that works while you sleep, my God, everything changed. I wasn't selling the vehicle anymore. I was selling the destination. And let me tell you, one of those pays the bills, the other makes you fucking rich. All right, let's bring this all home. This is not theory. This is your new non-negotiable battle plan. This is the payload. I want you to forget everything else you think you know about making offers and just do this. Here it is, your fucking checklist. Number 1, nail your vehicle. Match the delivery system to your market's wallet and their time. Do not sell a rowboat to someone who clearly needs a fighter jet. Number 2, stack your value. Reduce their risk, crank up the speed, and minimize their effort until the offer is so good they feel like a total idiot saying no. And number 3, build your 6-second sentence. If you can't explain the transformation you provide in a single breath, it is too damn complicated. Go back to the drawing board and simplify it. That's it. So now you have the weapon, you've got the ammo, you've got the pitch, but the million-dollar question is, what the hell do you charge for it? Well, next time, we're going to show you exactly how to price this thing so it actually makes you rich, not just keeps you busy. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss it.